Are you tired of juggling spreadsheets and manual bookings for your rental business? Struggling to keep track of available items, customer information, and payment statuses? Introducing the Rental Management module for Perfex CRM, your ultimate solution to streamline rental operations. Seamlessly integrated with Perfex CRM, this powerful module transforms how you manage your inventory and customers. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to efficiency with a centralized system designed for every type of rental business. Whether you rent out equipment, vehicles, or properties, this module simplifies every step of the process. Easily manage your rental items with detailed descriptions, images, and pricing. Track availability in real time to prevent overbookings and ensure smooth operations. The intuitive calendar view provides a comprehensive overview of all your bookings at a glance. Quickly identify open slots, pending rentals, and overdue returns, all from a single dashboard. Create and manage unlimited rental items and categories with full control over item specifications. Assign rental item images to provide clarity and enhance the customer experience. Maintain a comprehensive customer database within Perfex CRM, linking rentals directly to client profiles. This allows for personalized service and efficient communication, fostering stronger client relationships. Generate professional invoices and agreements directly from the module. Track payments, manage deposits, and ensure timely collections, keeping your finances in order. The module also supports advanced features like inventory management, helping you monitor stock levels. You can track items by status such as available, rented, or under maintenance for optimal resource allocation. Enjoy powerful reporting tools that provide insights into your rental performance. Make informed business decisions based on real data, optimizing your pricing and inventory strategies. It's fully customizable to fit your unique business needs, offering flexibility and scalability. Enhance your existing Perfex CRM experience with this essential addition. Ready to revolutionize your rental business? Discover the Perfex CRM Rental Management module today. The link is in the description below.